life seems to go on as normal. But now all communities are separated and polarized. In the fighting, many alleged atrocities have been reported. Abroad, it's the Bosnian Serbs who've been accused of having committed the most and worst. The half-deserted village of Sapada, halfway between Pale and Belgrade, is the site of one of the alleged rape camps which the Muslims say have been run by Bosnian Serbs. According to Serb militiamen who willingly escorted us here, this building was once a furniture showroom owned by a Muslim family who lived in the rooms above. The area has changed hands many times, they say, and been occupied by forces from both sides. It seems impossible to prove whether this building really was a place where Muslim women were kept and raped. The building looks as if it might have been used, as the Serbs' accusers claim, but all one can say is that in a war of this ferocity, it's reasonable to suppose that there have been excesses on all sides. Our escorts insist that there never was a rape camp here. More significantly, locals we chance upon tell us much the same.
If you know our generals, if you see them, how they are strictly educated in communist manner, in communist regime, particularly about morality, you will know that none of soldiers would dare to rape in the presence of another soldier.
They estimate that there have been 20,000 rapes by Bosnian Serb soldiers of Muslim women.
This is shameless. This is absolutely shameless.
They say that this is a systematic rape used as an instrument and not as a byproduct of war.
No, this is shameless. Somebody is going to shame for that. We can prove that it is all of lies and none of truth in that kind of reports.
I'm fully aware of the cases of rapes committed by Croats, of rapes committed by Muslims, and of the rapes committed by Serbs. But this unequal situation in media makes me worried, because it really brings a conclusion that Serbs are satanized and Muslims and Croats represent a kind of democratic society for which they fight for.
Most criticism of the Bosnian Serbs' conduct in the war centres on their confrontation with the Muslims in Sarajevo. To see the front line, we're escorted at dawn along the mountain road from Pale. Here, in a derelict motel overlooking Sarajevo, we're taken to meet a platoon of Bosnian Serb soldiers.
Been in this position? 24 hours here and 24 hours in home.
They're manning positions which overlook the Muslim sections of Sarajevo and Muslim gun posts in buildings opposite. There seems to be a lull at the moment, but we're warned to stay under cover and avoid attracting sniper fire. Zoran Divcic once worked as a railway escort for the Yugoslav post office.
We never shoot at women or people carrying firewood or water. We never shoot at them. It's only when we spot a sniper who shoots at us, then we neutralize him.
Like others here, Zoran Divcic comes from the nearby village of Petrovici, the farming community where he was born and grew up. He and the other soldiers we met here told us they wanted peace, but were determined to defend their homes if necessary. They supported their leadership and treated the idea of outside military intervention with contempt.
Foreign intervention, not only for me, but for all our people, is ridiculous, because I don't know of any country which would like to send its children, people, soldiers, to get killed on our territories here.